Hey guys, I'm back in another video. Today we're playing Airplane again. So, we're gonna play this thing. Someone, yay! Well, that's a lot of people stuck. All of us might win for sure. Yeah, no win. Good job. Yeah. Anyways, this is my cousin Nolan. Say hi. Say hi, dude.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. That's my baby cousin. B14. Okay. B14? Okay. What is happening? Oh. Okay, there you go. There's my seat. Wait. Why can't I go in my seat? This sucks. Hold up. This is B14. My gosh. Can't get in. Oh my gosh. You have to be kidding me. There you go. There you go. Now I can sit on my seat. Yeah, say seat. Say dinosaur. Yeah. Talk to the camera. Talk to the viewers. How do you say airplane?
Airplane.
How do you say fish? How do you say shoes? Say shoes.
Shoe.
Say head.
Hey.
Say shoulders.
Hey.
Say knees.
Hey.
Say toes. Okay. So, you just heard my cousin right there. Yeah. I already told that to you. 7874. That might come in handy. Get ready, ask the crew. Snack for everybody. I wonder if we could actually get out of there once the stinks are there. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Can you guys hurry up already? Oh my gosh. And the text has to really hurry up. Trippy, sad face, there, sad faces. I'm not feeling very well. I'm allergic to mayo. Yeah, of course you are, and I already found it. I already found it. Guess what? I found it a lot more than you. There, my fellow memers. Well, I mean, some of you might be memers. Who knows? Are you a memer?
No, I'm a nerd.
Okay. Are you a memer?
I'm a rock star.
Are you a memer?
I'm an owlicorn.
Lover. Okay. Hello. The monster is my. Your what? Your what? The monster is my dad. Oh. I'm the monster's enemy. I am the chosen one. I am Oh well, I'm the monster enemy. I am the chosen one. JK. Oh heck no. Are those snacks? OMG, they're snacks. Yes! I wonder what this is. There's a portal. What is this portal? Guys, there is an open. You guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly release it. And now,
I was once a human too. You know what? The day I died, you were there.
yeah, I was there.
I died on a brain like this one. I suffered a heart attack. No one ever tried to save me. Everyone moved like it was nothing. I guess it's fair now. A soul for a soul has been easy to leave. This is just the beginning.
Hey, I'm supposed to be I am the chosen one. Well, not really. Oh, no. I'm dying. Help me. Oh man. Well, that's it for today's video. Bye.